Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Go Mastercard online account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. Into the web address bar, type in www.gomastercard.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. The Go Mastercard is a product of Latitude Financial Service. Once you end up in the official web page, click on the login button at the top right hand corner. In order to end up in the login area, to access your Go Mastercard account, all you need to do is to type in your username and password associated with your account. Type in your username in the first text box appearing on the right hand corner and type in your correct password on the next field associated with the account. If you don't remember your username, click on the Forgot Your Username link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Your Password link and reset your password to a new one. Finally, click on the Login button and you'll be able to log into your Go Mastercard account online, quick and easy. That is how you can easily log in and access Go Mastercard online account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.